Good morning, children. Yesterday we are learning polynomials. In that polynomials, linear equations in one variable. Once again, you have to continue. See, polynomials aggregated as two models. One is based on terms, and one is based on degrees. See, terms, monomial, single term. For example, monomial, single term, x, one single term. Monomial means terms, based on terms. We have to count it as y, one single term, 2 is one single term. So, monomial nothing but a polynomial containing one term. Then polynomial is said to be a monomial. Next, polynomial containing two terms. Polynomial containing two terms. X plus y, two terms are there. X minus z, two terms are there. So, polynomial containing two terms, binomial. And polynomial containing three terms, x plus y minus z. Three terms, this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. Three terms. So, a polynomial containing three terms, that is trinomial. And coming to multinomial, say more than that, multinomial. Whether it is a polynomial, it is a multinomial. Whether it is not a polynomial, it is also multinomial. So, multinomial is nothing but terms. So, x power minus 2. Actually, x power minus 2 is not a polynomial but multinomial. X power 2, it is a polynomial and it is also multinomial. So, multinomial nothing but whether it is a polynomial, that is also multinomial. Whether it is not a polynomial, and this is also belongs to multinomial based on discussed terms. Based on discussed linear equations, nothing but linear equation. Equation means ax plus b. That is linear polynomial. Ax plus b is equals to 0. That is linear equation in one variable. This is one variable involving in this. So, do not consider a and b are the variables. Only x is a one variable. So, that is 8th class chapter. In 8th class chapter, first exercise and third exercise, only simplifying the values. Simplifying the values. First exercise and third exercise from the 8th class, it is already in 8th class we are discussing. Say for example, x plus 2 is equals to 0. Then what is x value? Here left hand side and right hand side are there. Say here plus 2 transpose to right hand side. So, x is equals to 0. Here plus 2, there change the symbol, minus 2. So, x is equals to minus 2. So, x value if you substitute in the equation, definitely it will be the satisfied. So, this is the solution for this linear equations in one variable. Minus 2 is the solution for this equation, x plus 2 is equals to 0. In the same manner, x plus 2 is equals to 3 is there. What value we have to substitute in place of x? That value is said to be 0 of the polynomial. In 10th class, 9th class, we are calling as roots or 0 of the polynomial or x value or solutions or solution sets, factors. These are the 6 or 7 names, but same meaning only. Roots, 0 of the polynomial, zeros, factors, solutions, x value, solution sets. These are the different names, but thing is same only. So, what value we have to substitute? Plus 1. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 1 plus 2, 3 is equals to 3. So, 3 is the answer. So, nothing but x is equals to 1. LH is equals to RH. So, what value we have to substitute? In place of x, we have to substitute 1. 1 is the answer. The same manner, x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 3 is there. Here fractions are there. For example, multiplication x into 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 3. This is different. Here plus, here into. Here we have to see the fraction when we go to right hand side, it will be reciprocal. So x is equals to 1 by 3 already there into here 1 by 2 reciprocal to right hand side. So 2 by 1. So 1 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So x is equals to 2 by 3 is the answer. 2 by is the solution for this one. Coming to x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 3. See, we have to do the solution for that. See, x, stop here only. 1 by 2 we have to transpose to right hand side. Here plus 1 by 2, there already existing 1 by 3. Here plus 1 by 2, there minus 1 by 2. But whereas here there is no change, but reciprocal in multiplication. But here only same value will be there, but change the symbol. If it is the plus, there minus. Here minus, there plus. So here plus 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2. And do the LCM. X is equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. See, do the LCM. 2 3s are 6. Both sides we have to multiply the 6. 1 by 3 into 6 by 6. Minus 1 by 2 into 6 by 6. And 3, don't cancel 6 down numerators. Why? Because we should be balancing the denominators as same. And 3 table cancel in 6 2 times, 2 table 6 in 3 times. So 1 2s are 2 by 6 minus 1 3s are 3 by 6. So denominators are same. 6 so 6. So take 1 6. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 means minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6 is the answer for this x value. So x value minus 1 by 6. If you substitute in the x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 3, where x is equals to minus 1 by 6, definitely the equation will be satisfied. So minus 1 by 6 is the solution for this linear equations in one variable. Nothing but in 8th class concept, linear equation in one variables means one variable is involving in the polynomial or equation. In 10th class, linear equation is two variables. In 10th class, linear equation in two variables. That is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here involving two variables x and y. So in 6th class, in 7th class also we learned what is that? Simple equation. Nothing but simple equation. That only linear equation in one variable. 8th class chapter is linear equation in one variable. In the same manner, simple equation in 7th class we learned that. So finally, next topic, quadratic equation. Next topics for 9th class, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. See, it is in the form of quadratic ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is, and x square not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers. So for example, 2x square plus 4x plus 9, this is quadratic equation equal to 0. Okay na? Say next, cubic equation. Cubic equation. Cubic equation. See, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where x cube doesn't belongs to 0 and a comma b comma c belongs to b c d belongs to real numbers, nothing but 2x cube plus 4x plus 7x square, next plus 3. This is one cubic polynomial. Next, coming to biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial, nothing but ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equals to 0, where x power 4 not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c comma d comma e belongs to real numbers. So 2x power nothing but x power 4 plus x power 3 plus 2x square plus 3x plus 7, whatever it is you have to take, no problem. X power 4 is the quadratic biquadratic equation. X power 4, yes, definitely. Why? Because degree is 4, here degree is 4, here degree is 4, no problem at all. We don't consider in these terms, but we have to consider is only degrees. Based on degrees, 4 models: linear equations, nothing but in 8th class chapter linear equations, quadratic equations and cubic equations and biquadratic equation. Quadratic equation 10th class concept and linear equations 8th class concept, and polynomial this is under this all together, that is a polynomial. These are the subtopics in the different classes. Finally, next, zero polynomial. Here already we discussed monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. Next, zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial. See, zero polynomial, zero of the polynomial. Already in 8th class we learn. For example, x plus 2 is equals to 0. I said, what value we have to substitute in place of x? X is equals to minus 2. We have to substitute. See, minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. So cancel. 0 is equals to 0. So LH is equals to RH. So definitely x is equals to minus 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. In linear equations is one variable. So what value we are substituting in place of the variables to satisfy the equation, then that value is said to be a 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. This one already we discussed 0 of the polynomial, roots, zeros and solutions, x values and solution sets. These are the same name and different names but same meaning only. So that is a 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means by what value we are replacing the inside of the variable, then that value, if it satisfies the equation, then that value is 0 of the polynomial. Coming to zero polynomial. Zero polynomial, all coefficients of the variables is 0. Yes, 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0, 0 plus 0, 0. This is the total 0. So this is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial is different than the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means by what value we have to substitute in place of the variable to satisfy the equation. That is the 0 of the polynomial. But whereas zero polynomial is coefficients of the coefficients means side number is the coefficient. Variable side value is the coefficient. So this is the zero polynomial, this is the 0 of the polynomial. So tomorrow we will discuss remaining. Thank you.